In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a shortcut from Firefox. First, open a new tab in Firefox. You can do this by clicking the plus button at the top of the window next to your current tab. Once you do that, you should see the Firefox new tab page with a search bar in the middle and several website tiles or shortcuts underneath. Each tile usually shows the site logo and the site name, so you can quickly recognize what you are about to remove. Now hover your mouse over the shortcut tile you want to remove. When you move the cursor onto that tile, Firefox will highlight it slightly. Often you will see the background of the tile get a bit darker and a small menu icon appear. This visual change lets you confirm that you are targeting the correct shortcut before you click anything. Next, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of that tile. When you click it, a small menu will open right under your pointer. The menu usually includes options like dismiss or sometimes pin or unpin, depending on how that shortcut is set up. Take a moment to read the menu so you click exactly what you want. From that menu, click Dismiss to remove the shortcut from the new tab page. As soon as you click Dismiss, the tile disappears from the grid. There is no extra confirmation box, it just vanishes, and the remaining tiles shift to fill the space. If you ever dismiss the wrong tile, you can still visit that site by typing its address in the bar at the top. If the shortcut is pinned, hover over the Pin shortcut. Pin shortcuts often show a small pin icon on the tile, which tells you Firefox is keeping that site in a fixed spot. Once your mouse is resting on the tile, the three-dot menu icon should be visible again. Then click the three-dot menu. You will see options that are slightly different from a normal shortcut. This extra control is there because pin tiles are not removed automatically by your browsing changes, they stay where you put them. From that menu, select Unpin if you want Firefox to manage it automatically, or Dismiss to remove it completely from the new tab page. Unpin keeps the site available to appear again based on your history, while Dismiss removes that tile from the grid right away. If you dismiss a pinned tile, it disappears just like any other shortcut. If the shortcut keeps reappearing because it is based on your browsing history, hover over the shortcut again. This usually happens with sites you visit a lot, which Firefox suggests automatically. Hovering prepares the tile so you can change how Firefox treats it. Click the three-dot menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option Remove from History if it is available. This option only shows when the tile is coming from your history. Select Remove from History. This removes the site from your browsing history, which makes it less likely to appear again as a suggested shortcut. You might notice the tile disappear immediately, and if you open another new tab, it usually will not come back unless you start visiting that site frequently again. If you do not want any shortcuts on the new tab page at all, open a new tab. Make sure you see the usual grid of tiles, even if some are blank spaces. Being on this page is necessary because the customized controls are specific to it. Click the Customize icon, sometimes shown as a pencil icon. It is usually found near the top right corner of the new tab page. When you click it, Firefox opens a small panel with options that affect how this page looks and what it shows. In that panel, turn shortcuts off. When you switch this setting off, the tiles disappear from the page. Firefox will no longer display shortcut tiles on the new tab page, so you get a clean view with just the search box or whatever else you have enabled. You have now learned how to remove individual shortcuts, handle pinned ones, clear stubborn tiles from history, and even hide all shortcuts on the Firefox new tab page. If this helped you clean up your new tab view, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Firefox tips like this.